see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna be trying to do the live cop for Supreme Week 4. This is actually the first official live cop that I could do from home. As of recently, I have been working when the live cop is going on, so I come here after work and I react to it. But today we're actually gonna mellow down, sit down, go over there and try to cop some Supreme the original way that we have been doing it for over a year, almost 2 now. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap that like button down below. Subscribe if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know if you were able to cook up today. I know the site might panic since there is coronavirus going around. We might be alright. Let's go ahead and see what we could cook up. Without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So my mic is not working right now. I do apologize for that because the sound is about to be trash. I had to rush this whole thing and I was looking for some batteries. The drop should be happening at any second at this point. Yeah, I think the drop hasn't happened yet, which is a good thing, honestly. Why are they delaying it so much? It doesn't make sense. Yo, 2 minutes delayed? What's going on? Oh, it loaded. It loaded, then it went back off. Like, what's going on? Sold out? What? Okay. 08. Boom. I'm checking out on something right now. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna just have to wait and see. I know I tried to grab something. I think it might have been the actual Rammellzee tea, which isn't even what I wanted, but it is what it is. We're just gonna try and scoop that. I'm gonna try and go ahead and get the other tea right now. Hopefully I can, because that's the one I really wanted. Should I get the black or the blue? So I got the Rammellzee tea, which is awesome. I feel like people aren't getting through, and that's probably why I am. Yo, the black is looking type fire. Look at that other shit on my cart. Yeah, boom. Boom. This might be a success for me, to be honest, which is crazy. Let's get it. I might have got both pieces, which is awesome. It's on please wait right now. So we are processing, and low key, I feel like I might have just destroyed this shit. Hopefully I did. Let's just wait and see real quick. I am processing though. And I managed to get both teas this week, which is crazy. I honestly thought I wouldn't be able to get both. And especially with the times in the EU, I feel like the only reason I did manage to get it was because the delays were insane, bro. The drop happened like 2 minutes after. When I first clicked on the piece, it said it was instantly sold out, but it really wasn't. It was actually there. I just managed to get it in the blue for both pieces, which is actually my favorite color out of the whole collaboration. I feel like typically they do like this soft ass blue, or they do like a navy blue. They don't really do like royals too much. So I am a fan of these 2 pieces. One of these will be for the personal. One of them might be either for a giveaway, or I might just store it for a little while since it is a photo tee in a way. I feel like it would gain value as time goes on, but I feel like that pretty much does it for the live cop portion of this video. Now we're gonna get into a little unboxing, then we're gonna get straight up out the building. So we managed to get the W, people. This is Box fire. I'm trying to tell you, I might, yo, if y'all want to see me reacting to coronavirus memes, just spam the like and let me know, because these shits be having me dead, bro. Like, just let me know. But I did manage to cook up on Supreme this week, which is honestly a shocker. I cooked up on the Rammellzee and on the other tea, which is crazy. But since this video probably is on the shorter side, I'm gonna show you guys this little package that I got, some heat, and then we're gonna get straight up out the building. So we did get a care package from Rammellzee. If you guys do want to check out their website, make sure you use the code Astronori20. They actually have some banger ass items. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I don't try to get stuff that I wouldn't wear myself, so before my camera died, I was showing you guys these jeans right here. These are like Mike Amiri style jeans, which do cost over $1,000. I feel like they have a pretty good alternative to those. They have like the patches under the distressing. You got different patches right there on the other side as well. The fit is actually pretty good on these. I actually have a picture from when I went to Florida that I still haven't posted, which I was wearing these, and and it came out pretty fire, so I might be posting that soon. This is a fire pair of jeans though. Right here we do have this black denim jacket. This is like a cropped style denim jacket. I've been wanting a black jacket like this one for a long time, and I feel like this is a pretty good one. I honestly do like the fact that it's just simple. You could probably wear it with so many things. The quality of this is A1. Once again, I feel like this is an everyday piece that you could just throw on. Bro, I could wear this shit right now and it'll look so fire. But once again, Astronori20 for 20% off Rammellzee. Fire pieces down at Rammellzee for sure. Next up, we got these pants right here, which this is more so an experimental item for me. I didn't know if I was gonna like these or not because it's from their brand, but it's just something that I typically wouldn't wear. I try to go out of my comfort zone, and they actually look pretty cool in my opinion. They have like these Velcro straps at the bottom, which kind of remind me of the Fear of God pants. That's kind of why I got it. I feel like you wear this with some true blue 3s or some white cement 3s and you're killing it, to be honest. But this is a fire pair of pants. They have cargo pockets on it as well. The cargo pockets have zippers, which is pretty clean. I feel like this is a really amazing quality as well. It's super soft. And last up, we probably have my favorite piece from the whole haul, which is this black hoodie right here. Bro, this is like the everyday essential black hoodie. It doesn't have drawstrings or anything like that. It's just fire, bro. This is the piece that you wear on a day-to-day basis and you just can't go wrong with it. This is definitely gonna be in my weekly rotation. As far as hoodies go, you just can't go wrong with it. It's like a heavy cotton as well, like a French terry, so it's not too hot or too cold. Definitely a huge fan of this piece right here. If you guys are interested in any of these pieces, make sure you go ahead and check out Rammellzee and use my promo code Astronori20 for 20% off. Last thing I want to talk about in this video is the fact that I do have some raffles going on Astro Bodega. We got this Supreme Nike shoulder bag right here that's being raffled off. We got these Vapor Jet gloves if you're trying to play football. We got these 2 tees right here. I feel like this one might be filled soon. And we got the mercenary tee. So we got the American picture, the mercenary. We have this, we have the shoulder bag, and we have a couple more pieces up there as well. Make sure you go ahead and follow Astro Bodega if you're interested. And if you're trying to see any upcoming raffles, go ahead and check it out on there because I will be posting new things as well. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you slap a like on this video, subscribe if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And today's post notification shout out goes out to you, homie. Low-key, I am in a rush because my battery's about to die, but major shout out to whoever I put up here. I'm pretty sure if I put you here, it's because you've been supporting the channel for so long, so major shout out to you. It definitely does mean a lot. But without any further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.